Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am going to present my topic nested loops in C programming, and my name is Walid Mia from Department of Mathematics, Kumila University. Let's begin. First, let me explain what a nested loop is. A nested loop means a loop inside another loop. The outer loop runs first, and for each time it runs, the inner loop runs completely. To understand this more easily, imagine a big box, and inside it there is a smaller box. The big box represents the outer loop, and the small box represents the inner loop. Every time the big box runs on, the small box runs completely. This is the basic idea of nested loop. So now let's look at the basic syntax structure. A nested loop consists of an outer loop and an inner loop. The outer loop controls how many times the inner loop will run. Inside the outer loop, we write another loop, which is called the inner loop. And for every iteration of the outer loop, the inner loop executes fully. This creates a repeated pattern of execution. Let's see a practical example using star pattern. In this code, the outer loop runs 2 times, which controls the number of rows. The inner loop runs 3 times, which controls the number of columns. So for each iteration of the outer loop, the inner loop prints 3 stars. As a result, we get a total of 6 stars printed in 2 rows. This clearly shows how nested loop works together to create a structured output. Nested loops are widely used in programming. They are used for creating patterns like triangles and rectangles. They are also useful for working with tables where we have rows and columns. In addition, nested loops are very important for working with multidimensional arrays such as matrices. To conclude, a nested loop is simply a loop inside another loop. The inner loop runs completely for each iteration of the outer loop, and it is a very important concept that helps us solve complex problems, especially in patterns and matrix operations. Thank you everyone for watching my presentation.